Yo, yo, yo. All glitches in Grow Garden. We can auto collect, okay? Auto collect glitch. Rainbow fruit glitch. Money glitch. Insta grow glitch. Infinite backpack glitch. Alright, if you want any of these glitches, I'll be covering all of them into this video. And if you do want a limited super seed, okay? Super seed, I'll be gifting one of these seeds to you guys. And there will be 5 winners. 5 winners get 1 seed, okay? 6 winners, 6, because there is packs of 3. So 3 gonna be for me, and then 3 is for you guys. So like 6 is for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be gifting these seeds to you guys. So make sure you guys comment down below Apple. If you comment down below Apple, you can actually get yourself a super seed. So the first glitch, okay, the first glitch, the insta grow glitch right now, insta grow glitch. Very easy. You go like teleport to cell, walk behind this stand right here, okay? Right here, walk behind the stand. There should be 2 stands right here, and you're standing on top of this giant block. Okay, once you like jump down, go to the right, and you went back to the thing, and you look at this sign, grow all. You press the sign and then you cancel, okay? You press the sign and then you cancel, and then you rejoin the game. Everything is full grown. On your place. The next glitch is infinite backpack. So your backpack gets stuck, okay? Your backpack is gonna get filled. Too much items. But there is a simple infinite backpack thing. You have to put a auto clicker on cell, okay? Auto clicker on cell. Tiny task, tiny task. Bang. You gotta like cell and then E and then click on the first so like the first thing, and then this should be a tiny task, okay? Tiny task for infinite backpack. Auto collect. You have to pretty much like move your camera around and then press E. So you gotta stand in the middle of your thing right here. Put your camera right like this and then spin around and then press E, okay? Press E. You need to zoom a little bit in. There you go. And you have to pretty much put your mouse on the apples, okay? Put the mouse on the apples and then you pretty much spam E, and then you pretty much auto collect everything around you, okay? Everything around you, you gotta like bam, collect it all, bam. Everything's collected, you see? So now guys, rainbow fruit glitch. If you have an apple right here, you give it to another player, okay? You gift it to another player. When you gift it to another player, you will have a chance to take this apple into rainbow form. So you have to actually gift it to another player, and then the player has to gift it back, and then back and forth 10 times, and then you get rainbow fruit glitch. By doing that, you get also infinite money glitch. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe.